Hi, my name is Veli Ndaba, the NeuroEngineer. I'm all about transforming minds from a place of mental darkness to mental light. And I'm an author of 5 books, of which the latest of them is The Neuroscience of Effective Leadership. This is the book that you need to have. This is the book that is all about how the brain works. This is the book that is all about how you can improve how you do what you do, how to become an effective employee, and how to become an effective leader. I have a methodology that helps you and that helps teams get to really understand how things work and how they can be able to get this book as their friend that they will be able to use on a day-to-day basis. So this is a book that you really need that will complement all your workshops that you'll get to do. So to learn more about this book, The Neuroscience of Effective Leadership, and to learn more about the Neuro Leaders Toolkit, and to learn more about the methodology where I talk about the neurotalks, the neuro workshops, and the neuro coaching, because you cannot see the picture if you're in a frame. You need someone that's going to help you walk through this journey, and that will be on your side to become more effective. And to learn more about many other products that we offer, please click on the link below and we'll be able to connect further and advance your cause.